Hi, welcome back to my channel Learn Hindi in Easy Steps. Hope you all have gone through my last chapters. If not, please go through those chapters because my each new chapter is associated with every last one. For example, if today you are learning positional words, so to use these words in proper sentences, we need to go back to understand pronouns, question words, and the most important, sentence framing, which I have explained in my last chapters, right? In today's video, I'll make you learn positional words and sentence framing using these words, nouns, pronouns, question words. In short, I'll recall my last chapter's learning in today's one. Let's start. Here is the chapter 3. I have explained in 5 columns. In the first column, English words. In second, Hindi meanings. Third column shows how to use these words in sentence. Same has been shown in the fourth column but in Hindi script for those who can read Hindi. And the last column shows proper sentence using these words. Here you can get basic idea about sentences from the last column. For more clarity, I'll show one more time one sentence using each positional word but at the end of this chapter. Now let me explain. The first word is here. Here is called in Hindi yahan or idhar. Yahan or idhar. How to use which sentence? The as it is we have to use in the sentence also. Yahan or idhar. Next column is for Hindi script and the last one is an example. So for example, pen is here. We will use object pen, then position idhar or yahan and then is hai. As you remember, I told you all the auxiliary verbs are being used at the end of the sentence in Hindi. Next, there. Hindi meaning wahan or udhar. Which sentence? Same has to be used wahan or udhar. Example, pencil is there. Pencil wahan hai. Next is on, above or up. For all these three English words, we are using single word in Hindi, that is upar. But when it will be used with sentence, then we have to use ke upar. Example, on the table, table ke upar. Above the sky, sky ke upar. Next, under or below. For this we have to use niche. But when it has to be used in the sentence, it will be same standard form ke niche. And here we will not use any different sound like ka, ki, ke. This is the single and the standard form ke niche, ke upar. Now, for example, under the chair. So, what will be the sentence? Chair ke niche. Next, in. In is called in Hindi may. May. For example, in the room, in the office. So, room may. Next, inside. Inside. Inside is called andar. Inside is called andar. When it has to be used with the sentence, it will become ke andar. Room ke andar. Office ke andar. Next, outside. Outside is called bahar. When it has to be used with a sentence, the ke will be added with it. Ke bahar. Example, outside of the office. Office ke bahar. Now let me explain one more time only the examples. पेन यहाँ है, पेंसिल वहाँ है, टेबल के ऊपर, चेयर के नीचे, रूम में, रूम के अंदर and office के बाहर. Let me tell you one more thing here, in and inside. In English sometimes it may be different, but in Hindi you can use either may or ke andar. Both are correct. Next, near. Near is called in Hindi pass. The standard form with sentence ke pass. For example, near the table. So it will become table ke pass. Now far or away. The far is called in Hindi dur. The standard form will be se dur. Here we have no need to use ke. Here the will be used se. Se dur. Like far from the table. Table se dur. Next, in front of. In front of is called samne. The standard format while using in the sentence? के सामने. So in Hindi, if you have to use in the sentence, it will become object के सामने. Object may be anything like chair, table, wall, something. In front of means सामने. It can be used for the opposite also. For opposite also the same word will be used, सामने. के सामने. Next is next to. Next to is called आगे. For this, in the format sentence, we can use either के और से. के आगे और से आगे. Example, chair के आगे, shop के आगे means next to the shop, next to the chair, next to the table. So table के आगे और table से आगे. It doesn't matter, but I would suggest you use के आगे. Next, behind. Behind is called पीछे. The standard format के पीछे. Behind of the chair, behind of the table. Table के पीछे, chair के पीछे, tree के पीछे, wall के पीछे means behind of the wall, behind of the tree, behind of the chair, behind of the table. Next, between. Between is called बीच में. बीच में. The standard form is के बीच में means in most of the positional words we have to use के except दूर. In दूर we have to use से. के बीच में. So chairs के बीच में, tables के बीच में. This is my next slide, which is showing the sentences using positional words. Here I'm giving the examples, sentence examples. As I told you, for the more clarity, I'll give one more example at the end of this chapter. So here I have used the where. Where I have taken from my first chapter. Where is or was the cat? Is, है, was, थी, as cat is considered as the feminine. So here the meaning is cat कहाँ है और थी. Cat कहाँ है और थी. Here. Here is the cat. Cat यहाँ है, as here is called यहाँ है. There. What's there? What's there? वहाँ क्या है means there what is. वहाँ क्या है. On, above, up. Pen is on the table. Pen table के ऊपर है. Pen table के ऊपर है. All the positional words and the auxiliary words I have started with the capital letters so that it will be easy for you to differentiate, to recall the exact meaning. Under, below. Shoes are under the chair. Shoes are under the chair. So the format will be shoes, chair, under, are. Because this is are is we are using for the plural or for the respect. So it is हैं. You can notice here this is हैं. Nasal sound should come. Shoes chair के नीचे हैं. In. Water is in the pond. Pond में पानी है. Inside. Puppy was inside the rack. Rack के अंदर puppy था. Here I have used was. Was for, we are using था, थी for was. As puppy is considered as the masculine, so I have used here tha. If this is cat or hen, it will become thi. This I'll explain you later. Next, outside. Birds were outside the window. What will be the Hindi translation? Window के बाहर bird थी. Here I have used here were. Were is considered for the plural, or we use for adults also, elders for respect. Theme. You can see in the script. Now, next is near. Radha was near the TV. Radha TV के पास थी. Far. Lab is far from classroom. Lab classroom से दूर है. In front of. School is in front of temple. So temple के सामने school है. Next to. Shop is next to the school. School के आगे और से आगे shop है. Behind. Ravi is behind the wall. Ravi wall के पीछे है. between. Cat is between the door. Cat door के बीच में है. So all these positional words we are using after the common nouns or objects. At last, I want to give you a more clarification about hai and hai. Hai means is and hai means are, or we can use this word hai for respect also, for our elders also. So now it was a detailed tour, but in short, about positional words. One more thing I want to repeat here I'm using English words for common nouns because common nouns will be learned with time as it's a part of vocabulary. Through my videos, I'm emphasizing on important aspect and that is speaking. I hope I should say bye to you all till my next video. I'll be back soon with my next video. Till then, bye bye. Wish you a happy and safe tomorrow. Thank you.